Are you trying to boost your productivity? Today, we're comparing Habitica and LifeUp. Both tools help you build good habits and stay organized, but they do it in different ways. Habitica turns your life into a game. You create a character and earn rewards for completing tasks. This makes it fun to stay on track. You can join groups, go on quests, and even battle monsters. It's all about making your daily chores feel like an adventure. On the other hand, Life Up takes a more straightforward approach. It focuses on setting goals and tracking your progress. You can create daily habits and reflect on your achievements. It's more about personal growth than gamification. Life Up helps you see how far you've come over time. Now, let's look at the key differences. Habitica is all about gaming and community. Life Up is more about self improvement and tracking. If you enjoy playing games, Habitica might be more appealing. But if you prefer a simple, clean interface, Life Up could be the better choice. When it comes to features, Habitica offers quest, rewards, and social elements. LifeUp provides goal tracking, reminders, and progress reports. Both tools have mobile apps, making it easy to stay on top of your tasks. In terms of pricing, Habitica has a free version with optional paid features. LifeUp also offers a free version with premium features available for a fee. Both are affordable, but the free versions are quite useful. So, which one should you choose? If you like gaming and community support, go for Habitica. If you want a straightforward way to track habits and goals, try LifeUp. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more.